discounts, benefits, among other customer loyalty benefits. Mr. PS, I want to convey our gratitude as Kenol Kobil to the government of Kenya, to the Ministry of Energy, and indeed to you personally for the continued support we received from you, from your office. You continue to listen to us, all our problems and concerns in the industry. Over time, we must appreciate that the government continues to set policies to create level playing ground for all of us. In this connection, we are happy with the action taken of your ministry on illegal LPG refilling. This indeed shall protect consumers and ensure that consumer gets value for money in quality, quantity, and safety of LPG cylinders. With these positive steps and in support of your efforts, we already have plans with our board to develop a new LPG facility in Kisumu. The demand is growing in Western Kenya. So in 2016, we see us putting another filling facility in Kisumu. We know that kerosene adulteration is still a problem in our industry. We believe that this can be eliminated by taxing the kerosene, increasing the kerosene tax to discourage people by using it, and putting some incentives on LPG and help our brothers Kenyans to migrate to a clean energy as LPG and leave the kerosene, the fuels, all these problems. We need to start dealing with that and accelerate access of and penetration to low-income groups. The LPG prices are still too high. Many houses cannot afford it, and we should actually find ways by reducing taxation on LPG to allow people to access it. The mass use of LPG has been achieved in less developed economies such as Senegal in Africa, in huge quantities, almost consuming double our consumption, and it's a much smaller country. And if they can do it in Senegal by a lot of intervention of the government, again on the taxation issue, Kenya can do it too. Ladies and gentlemen, we thank you for supporting us over this event and over the years. We wish to assure that Kenol Kobil shall continue to reinvent itself to provide the market with products and services to meet our customers' demand and changing needs. With this successful launch, I wish to thank the Kenol Kobil and the Castrol team that worked hard to make this event happen. I don't know where is Mary. My Mary Mwangi, please stand. She's the special product manager. I know she allocated with her team. They're all behind, I don't know why, but they're there. Worked hard to have this event the way it is. I tell you frankly, I just came this morning. I had no time to visit, to see how they set up. Well done, Mary, and again, I wish we keep this pace into the future. I want to thank you guys that you created time from your busy schedule. I know it's middle of the day, people need to work, and we're trying to make it as fast as possible. When we finish the official speeches, we'll unveil the products, then we'll have some bites, and then people can go to their offices. I finished my speech. Thank you very much. I want to invite my chairman, James Matenge, please. Thank you, guys.
It is my pleasure and duty to preside over this function, and I want to speak very briefly about the partnership between Kenol Kobil and Castrol. This journey started about 2.5 years ago, as David mentioned, and today marks the culmination of this particular partnership that has taken a lot of work and effort to develop. And we are proud that it's a mutually beneficial partnership between Castrol and Kenol Kobil. Kenol Kobil, as you know, is by far the largest indigenous oil marketer in Kenya. But we also operate in 6 other countries in East and Central Africa. So in this partnership, we deliver a very strong market network to Castrol. And only a part, Castrol delivers what I consider to be cutting-edge technology in lubrication. Like they said, it is not oil, it is liquid engineering. We know our future will be developed on the basis of strong partnerships. And I want to endorse what the MD has said, that we fully support the initiatives taken by the government of Kenya to ensure that we have a competitive industry that delivers value to consumers and to our customers. So that's a message that I wanted to deliver. And without further ado, it is now my very, very distinct pleasure and privilege to invite our chief guest, Engineer Joseph Njoroge, to say a few words. Engineer, please welcome.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's my pleasure to be here to witness this historic launch of a very unique product. And I do note that this product is being launched by Kenocobin, our indigenous company that has broken boundaries and barriers to become the leading oil company in the region, and also a leader in its own right in the African continent. On the other hand, and for those who follow the developments in the oil industry, and specifically the lubrication industry, the Castrol brand stands on its own. It is a renowned leader in this segment, and this launch, which we are witnessing today, is itself a sustained growth of the oil industry in our country and in the African continent. Castrol has, since its inception, developed as an expert in the lubricants market, becoming the giant global brand. And we are familiar with the successes of Castrol over the years. And amongst some of these is the applications that we all know. In rallying, we do remember Castrol in rallying in Kenya. We have very fond memories about Toyota Celica's winning the world-renowned Safari Rally several times in our country. And we also remember Castrol in Formula One, in setting and keeping the records of the fastest vehicles on land. I am sure even in this particular lubrication industry, we are going to have a fastest moving partner in supplying these very unique products. Ladies and gentlemen, I must say we are proud of Kenocobin, which has been at the forefront of flying the Kenyan flag in Africa. It was the first oil indigenous company to pioneer out of Kenya into Uganda in 1999, which opened a floodgate for oil and sand. It was also the first oil company to invest outside East Africa. In 2002, they went to Zambia, and later in 2005, they went to Ethiopia. We acknowledge Kenocobin for this, and we are proud of you for this. And we clap for them. And we have no doubt with this new partnership of Castrol, it affirms Kenocobin's leadership in this area. We thank Kenocobin for this leadership, Lord, which is demonstrated in the Kenyan industry and beyond over time. We of course also saw Kenocobin come up with several unique designs of stations, which until today define its image and its identity, a very sophisticated brand. In closing, ladies and gentlemen, I want to commend Kenocobin yet again and BP Southern Africa for their milestone of the Castrol lubricants into the Kenyan market, and wish them success many years ahead.
Let's have a really good round of applause. A wonderful speech by the Cabinet Secretary. Thank you very much indeed. Big round of applause here. Thank you. The Castrol